Hey, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. And today we will be unboxing some Nomad accessories. Okay, so for today's video guys, we will be unboxing some Nomad accessories for my Apple devices. So if you are in the market for a leather case for your Apple devices, this video is for you. So what we have here is the iPhone 12 Pro Max case, the Apple Watch strap, and the iPad Pro case. So I will be using this for my M1 iPad Pro. And if you are also in the market for a case for your M1 iPad Pro, so this video is for you. Okay, so huge thanks to Nomad for sending this in so that we can unbox here on our channel. So if you don't know Nomad, Nomad is a well-known case company. So particularly, they make great leather cases. So specifically, the Horween leather cases. So yun yung leather na gamit nila for their cases. And sobrang high quality nung leather nila. And at the same time, sobrang ganda ng overall designs nila. So first, we will be unboxing the Apple Watch leather strap. So this is what they call the classic strap. It says here is also using the Horween leather, and this color is in rustic brown. And then opening it is just very simple. It's just a magnetic box. Actually, the packaging is also good. Para siyang on par with Apple devices. So when you unbox Apple devices, so ganun din yung nafe-feel ko when it comes to Nomad unboxing. Opening it, it just says here yung Horween leather and then the classic strap here. So, ang ganda nung rustic brown. Sa black kasi hindi masyadong halata yung difference from day 1 to day 100. But in this case, rustic brown siya. Ang maganda yung patina effect. So, that's what I'm excited about, the patina effect. So, this is the strap. So, ang ganda nung material niya. They are the same with the black hardware. But I think I prefer this color. As you can see, mas kita yung stitches. And sa black kasi hindi siya ganun ka-visible. So this one, kitang-kita siya. I really like the contrast between the brown strap and then yung metal niya na black. So ang ganda nung contrast nila. So that's why I'm very particular about this rustic brown. So this one is the rugged case for the iPhone 12 Pro Max. So ang different niya with the other cases is that this one is also MagSafe. What do you mean by that is this particular case supports MagSafe because meron siyang magnet that can support yung MagSafe wallet or MagSafe charger. Okay, so opening it, very similar with the other Nomad accessories. So magnetic box siya. When you open it, you can see it right away. So this one says here on the other side, Horween leather as well. So this is the rugged case, which is the color black, and this one is the rustic brown. So as you can see, very similar but color lang talaga yung very different obviously. This one I think almost 1 month na or 2 months na, and hindi pa rin siya ganun ka, yung gasgas niya hindi visible masyado. Sobrang premium leather. So I'm very excited for the rustic brown for the patina effect, and at the same time meron na akong pamalit or alternative na if I want to go with brown shade. So, perfect to. And good thing they included the classic strap for the Apple Watch kasi meron na rin siyang partner. So, sobrang thank you, Nomad. You can see the circular thingy. So, that's the MagSafe or that's a magnet for your MagSafe. Okay, so last but not the least, actually, ito yung pinaka-main event. So, this is the rugged folio case for the iPad Pro 11 inches. So it says here it's second generation, but I've checked, it's also compatible with the M1 iPad Pro. So ang good thing about this is this is also in rustic brown. And then on the back, you can see day 1 versus day 100. Actually, it's a common theme for Nomad na they included the day 1 versus day 100 comparison in their boxes. So you can see here, may slight patina effect talaga siya after 100 days. So yeah, enough talking. And I'm really excited. So I really like the packaging of Nomad. So very simple, very straightforward. Para talaga siyang Apple packaging. So see, you can hear the magnet, so strong. And then opening it, wow! So on the left side, you can see here Horween leather as well. And then on the right side naman, of course, the iPad folio case. So, and that's it. So touching it, it really feels different. Kasi yung ganito kasi, parang ang onting surface lang yung mahawakan mo. And iba na siya pagka ganito nakalaki yung surface area nung leather. So sobrang very premium nung feeling niya. And at the same time, sobrang in love talaga ako sa color na rustic brown. So folio case siya. So same with the Apple folio case. Natutupi siya into 3 parts. So you can use this also as a stand. And at the same time, obviously yung cover niya, which is yung main point of this case. And then here is the Nomad rugged folio case for the iPad Pro. With all of the cases of Nomad, ito talaga yung texture or yung parang material na used dun to protect your devices. So hindi siya felt felt yung nasabi ko sa previous video, pero yung felt kasi more of sharp siya. This one is very soft. I'm not sure what material is this. So this material will not scratch your devices. So sobrang premium niya. So not just with the outer leather na premium, it's also within the case inside. So sobrang premium niya. So let's just put this on my iPad Pro. So if you haven't watched my M1 iPad Pro unboxing, you can watch it here. Okay, so as I was able to put it already, it says second generation 11-inch iPad Pro, but I can still use my third generation. Rest assured that you can use this particular case for your M1 iPad Pro. So that's it. Nice. See, it's very premium looking and ang ganda talaga niya. Ang ganda talaga ng rustic brown. Okay, so let's just check yung parts ng case. So I will go into checking the parts of this particular case kasi yung iPhone natin and yung strap, nagkaroon na ako ng unboxing and same lang naman sila, different color lang. So if you haven't watched my previous video, you can watch it here. But this one, mag-focus tayo with the Nomad rugged folio case for the iPad. So on the top, you can see the speaker grills and then yung 2 mics niya, may cutout, and then obviously the power button. And then on this side, it's very open kasi syempre this is where you put your Apple Pencil. And then there's the cutout for the volume up and down. And then on the bottom part, there's also the speaker grills and then the cutout for the USB-C charger. And then here, obviously, yung for the flap niya. And then on the back, that's just the camera cutout for the 2 cameras and the LiDAR sensor for the iPad Pro. So nice. I really like the feeling of this leather. Ang laki ng surface niya. So sobrang ganda niya. Okay, so last packaging. If you buy from Nomad, lagi talagang may ganito. So, let's open it. Oh. So, it's just a welcome to Nomad. And then here, ang ganda rin ng packaging nila. May thank you note din from Nomad. And then yung stickers. Ooh, 4 na yung ganito ko. So, ang ganda ng stickers nila. Okay, so a huge thanks to Nomad for sending this new Nomad cases. So, specifically for the M1 iPad Pro. So, this is perfect. I really like the rustic brown color. And at the same time, you cannot go wrong with the Corwin leather cases from Nomad. So it's a premium quality leather. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video. If you liked it, please give it a like down below. Subscribe if you haven't already. And smash that bell to get notified when I upload new videos. So hanggang dito na lang muna uli guys. Talk to you soon.